What's that cool part?
Oh, that's a connecting rod.
How are they made and where can I learn more about them?
Why don't you get in and I can show you.
Why American Axle Manufacturing?
We are the only facility in Pennsylvania that manufactures connecting rods.
What's a connecting rod?
Connecting rods are what drive an engine. So any internal combustion engine has them in them. They go in the piston and they force up and down inside your cylinders, and they're what create the power for your engines.
How are they made?
They are just powdered metal that is compressed and molded, then it's sintered, and then it's forged. So it becomes from a powder to a connecting rod, so sand-like quality to a solid steel rod in drives your vehicle.
I see a lot of robots here. Do they help with the connecting rods?
Robots are used in our connecting rod processing in areas where we are not able to have human interaction. For example, when connecting rods come out of our rotary furnaces at extremely high temperatures, it is unsafe for a human to handle that part. So we utilize a robot to pick that part up and place it in its next location.
That's so cool. How can I work up to a position like yours?
So as I started, when I came in here and I started on the floor. I started as an operator when I came in. Through the years, I worked my way up through the leadership. I worked up as a team leader and then a supervisor. I moved to engineering. I was an engineer for 8 years. After engineering, I went and I was an area manager. And then I finally took this job about 6 months ago as the operations manager here in the facility.
Wow, now I know what that cool part is. The connecting rod process is so interesting, and I can't believe it's done right here in Ridgeway. Maybe one day I can work in manufacturing.